Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw arrows on chess.com, especially here on the computer version. Okay, open up chess.com. Now just go ahead and play any game mode right here. Especially you have play with bots or maybe play coach or even playing with the real players right here. Okay, now to draw a regular arrow, you can just hold the right click on your mouse. First up, set the starting point. For example, here. Hold right click on your mouse. Now drag it wherever you wanted to point it. For example, right here at the top. Okay. Once done, just release the right mouse click. Okay. Release, as you can see, with that, we now have this regular arrow, which is color orange. Okay. If you want to draw like blue arrows or red arrows, for blue, you can go ahead and hold Alt. Okay. Alt key on your keyboard. Hold Alt. Now hold right click and drag it wherever you want. Now once done, release both. Here we have blue. Now for red, hold Control on your keyboard, then hold right click on your mouse, and then just drag it wherever you want. Okay? Release. There you go. You can do this one from the top as well, okay? Hold and drag. Hold and drag. Hold and drag. Okay? Sideways as well. Now to delete all of this arrows, you can just go ahead and press left click on your mouse and all has been deleted. That is it. That is how you draw arrows on chess.com on a computer. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.